they were so satisfied when we left the other day. We're like, look what we just did. So it's really like they're really getting a lot out of it, and I really appreciate the opportunity to be a part of this program.
Man, something worked out because our enrollment went up. Kids are so freaking stoked about this.
This experience of being able to do it on our site, I think it's been really fun to be able to reach a larger target audience.
And honestly, with the way they haven't been able to do anything pretty much all year, I think it was a really good confidence booster for them, and just probably good mentally for them too, to be able to do something together as a team.
We are going to be moving forward with a construction math program starting next year.
When we've had the competition in the past, I always tell people those are the 2 best days of the entire school year.
One of our girls, Jackie, she actually, when she was pre-registering for high school, she actually changed her what she was going for, because she wants to go to the industrial program now because she fell in love with this.
I know this opened up a whole new avenue for some of my students.
Like, this is the happiest part of my entire COVID school year, right? Is being outside working on the shed. So I thank you guys for giving us the opportunity.
Thank you guys for bringing some normalcy back. It's been wonderful.
Thank you. I mean, I can't thank you guys enough for doing this.
Again, can't thank you guys enough for everything you do, putting your time in on this. It means a lot to these kids, and it means a lot to us instructors.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Good afternoon. So this is the part where we're going to interrupt the conversations for just a little bit and present our Design Build Competition Awards and recognize our industry alum supporters this year. My name is Jordan Blair, and I want to welcome you to the 35th Annual CIF Design Build Competition and our 5th Annual Industry Lunch. I have the honor of serving as the Executive Director for the Construction Industry Education Foundation. The 2020 Online Design Build Competition and the 2021 Compete from Your Home Campus Design Build Competition have been anything but normal. But during this time of embracing change, we've more than doubled the number of students engaged in the program, from 405 students in 2019 to 834 students this year. Students competed from Chico, San Diego, south of the San Francisco Peninsula, and up in the foothills. As you're able to just hear on the video from a handful of our instructors, this year's competition brought more engagement, more impact, and more awareness to high school CTE programs at the campus level than we have ever seen before. And perhaps equally as important, a sense of normalcy for students who are considering careers in the built environment. At this time, I'd like to welcome Tim Murphy, CEO of the Sacramento Regional Builders Exchange, to the stage.
Thank you, Jordan. So for those of you that were at our golf tournament the other day, I said this, but isn't it great to be at an event where you can see everybody again in person? Thank you so much for coming out today. We'd just like to say, what you see on the banners around you today, it's the culmination of many months of hard work from students, instructors, industry volunteers, material and financial sponsors. Before I acknowledge them, I would like to first recognize Katie Carbone, our program manager, and Jordan Blair, the executive director of CIF, for their work in putting this event together. I also want to recognize the SRBX staff, Alyssa Pedrozetti, Carlisle Sandin, Taryn Manchu, Damon Conklin, Ryan Rubina, Roxana Chia, Olivia Robertson, and Joan Gabrielson, and who have all assisted in various aspects of this event. Please give them a round of applause for their help. SRBX and CIEF are all hard at work to promote the workforce development efforts that are needed for our industry. In the face of an ongoing labor shortage and skyrocketing material prices in our industry, it's more important now than ever to increase the pipeline of available workers at all levels of our industry. SRBX and CIF will continue to bring together construction leaders with educators, school board officials, and elected representatives through our workforce programs to demonstrate career possibilities in the built environment. So all students, those who are college bound and construction bound,
I'm a senior at Sultana, and
students like him have a bright future in front of them. I would now like to thank our major sponsors who made Design Build and this event possible. Our presenting sponsors, Pacific Coast Building Products and the William E. Hickson Foundation. Please give them a round of applause. Our platinum sponsors, the Sacramento County Office of Education, the Northern California Carpenters Regional Council and Local 46, Ferguson Cares, Inspected, and the International Code Council. Please give them a round of applause. And then last, our cornerstone sponsors, Build California, the California Home Building Foundation, DPR Construction, Swinnerton, Sunt, and XL Construction. Please give them a round of applause. At this time, I would like to invite up our presenting sponsor with Pacific Coast Building Products, Mr. Ryan McKay.
You got? Can I get a business card from these people?
Oh, absolutely.
Is it out front or?
Thanks, Tim.
You know.
We'll get you one.
First, like,
We'll
thank Tim
definitely
and
get you
the building exchange for lunch. My exposure to the design build program goes back to the Jim Lambert days. Back in those days, when you showed up, you got a hot dog and a bag of chips from Jim, and he charged you for it. So I really appreciate the lunch and all the work and effort that's gone in. But again, Pacific Coast is proud to be associated with the design build program. It's something that we believe strongly in supporting, the next generations of people in our industry. And as we all know today, having good, competent, qualified people is the key to success for our future. So again, thank you for everyone that supported it, and appreciate you all being here. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thanks to the generosity of 86 company sponsors this year, each school and each student competed in the Design Build competition completely free of charge. Committee meetings were held last fall in an attempt to determine what this year's competition would look like. Given field trip restrictions and limits on gatherings that were in place at the time, it was decided that the best option was to deliver all of the materials to each and every individual school and have them compete from their home campus. Some schools stuck to a traditional 2-day build, while others on a hybrid schedule built for 1 to 3 hours per week over a 6-week period. While not every team completed their structure prior to judging, all schools had a plan in place to finish their project this spring or summer. We would like to thank Harbor Freight Tools for Schools, who's awarding $250 per award for this year's craftsmanship, honorable mention, and best of show categories. This time I'd like to introduce Pat Murphy and Jason Weehausen, platinum sponsors of this year's competition from Ferguson Waterworks and Ferguson Cares.
Hello, thank you for being here. On behalf of Ferguson Waterworks and Ferguson Cares, we would like to introduce the Rookie of the Year. This award goes to the team scoring the highest total points in their first or second year of the competition who did not place in the category. Of the 44 teams who competed in this category, in this competition throughout California, 17 were of their first or second year participants. So the Rookie of the Year award goes to, for 2021, goes to Galt High School. Congratulations. So now we would like to welcome Anatoly with the Carpenters Local Union 46. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Carpenters Local 46 Sacramento, we would like to present some of the awards, and then if you want to select, if you want to pass the baton to the next generation, you select best of the best. Commissioned in 2007 by Sacramento Sierra Building and Trades Council, the Craftsmanship Award goes to the team with highest combined construction evaluation and building code compliance scores. Judging criteria include how well the project was crafted, including square cuts, wood joints, that was avoid of gaps, flush surfaces where wood was joined, and wood fastener finished flush and crack. The winners of the year craftsmanship award is Sultana High School. Congratulations.
I would like to welcome Davey Johnson to present Wayne Johnson Safety Award.
Back in 1986, when we started this whole thing, it was my dad who was on the board. And so when we started the design build competition, it was really important to that team at the time to bring in a safety element because we're giving steel saws and other implements of destruction to high school kids. So we really needed to have a designated safety person on board. And so the Wayne Johnson Safety Award, or Safety Person of the Year Award, is awarded to one individual. It's an individual award who has assumed the role of designated safety person for their team. And that award winner is selected by a judging panel of safety professionals and exhibited a keen understanding of worksite safety, appropriate safety regulations, documentation, and ensured that their local work site was being operated. The winner of this year's Wayne Johnson Safety Award of the Year, Safety Person of the Year Award goes to Mason Federico of Sutter Union High School. And now I'd like to welcome Rebecca Weldon for this year's Architectural Award.
And the winner of this year's Architectural Award for the design competition is Live Oak High School. Congratulations. Now I'd like to welcome Claire Donenworth, representing APMC Local 447 Plumbers and Pipe Fitters and the Northern California Mechanical Contractors Association, to the stage.
Welcome. I'm glad to see so many people here in attendance today. And I have the pleasure of giving the Honorable Mention Award this afternoon. This award is reserved for years where a school places high in several areas but does not win a category award. The winner of this year's Honorable Mention Award is Linden High School.
And I will say it's a little bit weird not having the students here in person, but they are streaming in with us live right now. So we get to have a round of applause for all of our students. This year, SRBX and the Construction Industry Education Foundation will award more than $100,000 in academic scholarships and grants for high school and college students. We are elated to present our SRBX member scholarships at this time. I'll ask David Lawson, Chair of the CIF Board of Trustees, and Christy Rolock, President of the SRBX Board of Directors, to the stage, please. At this time, I'll also ask our member scholarship winners to please come to the stage. The SRBX member scholarship is open to all employees of SRBX member companies and their immediate family members. Our first recipient is Nalea Dangle from Pleasant Grove High School. Nalea is being awarded a $500 scholarship today to pursue a degree in interior architecture and design at Chico State University. Our second recipient is Brianne Sparks. Brianne joined an accelerated bachelor's program in office management and accounting while also working full-time for 5 years with American Sheet Metal Protection Company. She will be awarded a $1,000 scholarship today. remember that the SRBX Member Scholarship is open to all SRBX members and their immediate family members. Applications for the 2022 Scholarship Awards will be available on our website in December. At this time, I'm going to ask the CIEF Board of Trustees to come forward to take photos with our Construction Management Scholarship recipients. Now we'd like to present our Construction Management Scholarships. Recipients of the CN Scholarship must be Upper Division Construction Management students at either Sac State or Chico State universities and registered for a minimum of 12 units. Our first recipient today is Adam Veneman. Adam is being awarded a $2,000 scholarship. Adam will graduate summa cum laude honors in December and aspires to work in the field for 3 years, after which he plans to return to school to obtain a master's degree. Our second recipient is Joshua Namey. Joshua is being awarded a $2,000 scholarship. He'll be graduating this spring from Sac State and has countless accolades, including serving as the San Benito Babe Ruth baseball coach. Awarded a $2,000 scholarship. He is currently a junior at Chico State, and among several other volunteer organizations, he serves as president of the Design Build Institute of America chapter at Chico State. Andre's ultimate goal is to one day own his own construction firm and offer internships to high school students, specifically from his hometown of Calexico, California. At this time, I'd like to welcome Henry Meyer to the stage to introduce this year's Winterton Construction Management Awards.
Sorry, maybe.
Our Swinnerton Healthcare Group is very proud to support the education of these two recipients. First of all, we have Angela Lay of the very prestigious Sacramento State University. Angela is being awarded $2,000. She is passionate about environmental mediation, sustainability, affordable housing, communities, focusing on rehabilitation for those experiencing homelessness. Congratulations. Recipient is Jordan Kelly from Chico State. Jordan is being awarded a $2,000 scholarship and has excelled at every opportunity for a challenge. He holds a 3.4 GPA while working throughout the school year for Buse Concrete Contractors and is set to graduate in spring of 2022. I'd like to welcome to the stage Heather Lim of Alltown.
Hi, I'm Heather Lim from Alcal Specialty Contracting, and I'm pleased to announce that the recipient of the Alcal Sac State Construction Management Scholarship for $5,000 goes to someone we just saw here, Angela Lay.
Dave Lawson for the Architectural Scholarship Award.
Yes. Is Yogen Tilton here? Raise your hand. Not quite. Okay. She's coming from San Diego. I'm sure her plane's just about landing. My name is David Lawson. I'm the president of the Board of Trustees for the CIF Foundation, and happy to be up here. And I'd just like to, before I give away the scholarships, is implore all of you to participate in this organization, whether it's as a judge for the design build competition, or a mentor for the competition, the CREATE program. We have a lot of great programs that benefit a lot of young people, and especially participate on a scholarship committee, which is kind of a bittersweet thing. So you read all these great applications, not everyone gets a scholarship. If you're given the opportunity to participate, please do so. So founded as a Gordon Stafford Scholarship in Architecture, the CIF Scholarship in Architecture provides $4,000 per year for up to 5 years for students pursuing a bachelor or master's degree from an NAAB accredited college university. In addition to continuing student awards this year, 2 new students were selected. The first, Pooja Silla, cannot be with us today as she's preparing for a portfolio review tomorrow, but she has sent a message.
Hi, I'm Pooja Silla, and I am studying for my Master's of Architecture degree at California State Polytechnic University with a focus on healthcare design and sustainability. And upon completion, I intend on starting my own firm and taking on projects that will help to serve underserved communities. Thank you all.
Thanks, David. The Design Build scholarships were established this year for students who participated in the competition, are graduating seniors, and who will be pursuing a career in the built environment, either through direct hire, an apprenticeship, or 2 or 4 year college university. I will ask you now to turn your attention to the screen for the winners of this year's Design Build competition scholarships.
Hi, my name is Jacob Ivan. I'm a senior at Sultana, and for next year, I'm planning on going to BBC. I'm hoping to major in mechanical or electrical engineering and or construction management.
My name is Daniel Maniuk. I'm currently going to Concord High. I plan on going to DVC next year. Thank you so much for awarding me a Design Build scholarship.
My name is Eric Anaya, and I am currently a senior at Estancia High School. My plans is to begin an apprenticeship through the Southwest Carpenters Union. I would like to say thank you for the Design Build 2021 scholarship.
Hello, my name is Marvin Garlip. I am currently attending Linden High School. I am planning on studying construction management at Cal Poly San Luis Obispo in the fall. Thank you so much for the scholarship. It is going to enable me to continue my studies throughout college. Thank you.
So hi, my name is Nicole Chang. I currently go to Folsom High School, and I plan on studying architecture at Cal Poly SLO next fall. And I just want to say a huge thank you to all the sponsors and industry partners. Thank you.
Organizations like this do not exist without the support of a great board of trustees and volunteers. This year, CIF has 110 people filling the roles of trustees, advisory board, and committee members, in addition to more than 200 mentors and volunteers. The success of our programs would not be what they are without the time, talent, and financial commitment of all involved. At this time, we'd like to recognize our trustees whose service came to an end this past December, or whose terms will be completed this next month. I'll ask the following members to please come to the stage. Heather Basinger with CLA, Tina Kemble with Royal Electric, and Kevin Stillman with Capital Engineering Consultants. And 2 members who cannot be with us in person today, Tim Blood with Turner Construction and John Bell with Urata and Sons Concrete. As part of the mission of preparing tomorrow's workforce, we'd like to recognize an organization today with our Construction in the Community grant. This organization will promote the workforce development of the construction industry through a unique high school approach. The recipient of this year's Construction in the Community grant for $3,000 is the Capital College and Career Academy. I would like to welcome Executive Director Kevin Dobson to say a few words.
Thank you everybody for this award and the opportunity to speak here today. Capital College and Career Academy is a new free public charter school coming to Sacramento in the fall of 2022, focused on hands-on learning. Partnerships with American River College and Sacramento State ensure that all kids are college prepared, career ready, and we're really excited for the opportunity for this to start. And we recognize using hands-on learning, construction trades are a key part of that process. So thank you, everyone.
At this time, we'd like to welcome SMUD Director Greg Fishman to present the People's Choice Award.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. I think there's been some kind of mistake because here we are towards the end of the program and you've just given a microphone to an elected official who dabbles on the radio. We could be here a while. I'll try to go quickly. For decades, SMUD has worked collaboratively with the construction industry to develop and provide challenging and rewarding career pathways in a variety of fields, right on, beginning at the apprentice level on up through journey and senior and foreman levels. As Sacramento's regional energy provider, we will continue to partner with organizations like this one to reduce our reliance on carbon-based fuels and provide clean energy to homes and businesses alike. Last week, my fellow board members and I adopted the most ambitious clean energy plan of any large utility in the United States. We are committed to eliminating carbon emissions from our power supply by 2030 and to providing training for jobs in the clean energy sector that will continue to benefit the environment, improve local air quality, and spur economic development. And we are committed to providing incentives as we start to electrify our buildings a little bit more. So we're working with you on that. As our region continues to grow, we're going to continue rewarding career opportunities for generations to come and programs like this that help do that. I'm really pleased to award the People's Choice Award. It was created in 2020 to honor the team that receives the most votes for their structure. The award's winner is determined by more than 2,100 voters, not by adherence to any competition scoring. And on SMUD's behalf, I'm really happy to present the 2021 People's Choice Award to Winters High School. Congratulations.
At this time, we'd like to welcome Jason Smeal of Inspected, our platinum and judging sponsor, to say a few words.
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jason Spiel. I'm with Inspected. I just wanted to first say thank you so much, Katie and Jordan. We're obviously a first-year sponsor of this, but the opportunity to be out here and be part of this. It's such an incredible organization. I had the opportunity to actually judge and watch these young people as they go through this process of the building of it. I think everywhere that you go, you see that there's a shortage of people on the pipeline coming into the building industry. And this gives a forum to them to it. And the leadership that these young men and women are showing throughout the judging process, it was really impressive. So, Inspected, we're a remote virtual inspection software company based out of Florida. Had the opportunity to become part of this through our partnership with the ICC and Susan Dowdy, so thank you to her as well. But again, this is just a great event. Congratulations to everybody that's a part of it. Congratulations to the students that made it such a special event.
So we unfortunately got word that our Architectural Grand Champion Award for $20,000 is still stuck in transportation. He's not going to make it before the end of today's ceremony. But we did want to recognize Yojen, who's receiving a $20,000 scholarship through the CIF Scholarship in Architecture. now for our final competition awards, I'd like to introduce Sean Falvey, introducing the kitchen sink competition from Summit.
Thanks, Jordan. Just on behalf of Summit, I just want to say thank you to everybody that participated and contributed to these events. It's really remarkable how many schools and folks participate. It shows the turnout that this kind of event can have. So now to get the building in, as they re-enter the classroom this year, the kitchen sink competition was created for schools that may not be prepared to build a 96 square foot structure. Schools designed built outhouses, pergolas, Adirondack chairs, and more. The winner this year's Best of Show for the kitchen sink category is Sundale Union Elementary School.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm John Dunn from Build, California, and we're proud to be a Cornerstone sponsor today. And today I will be presenting the Best of Show Build competition. And this is a category put together because of how the schools were not prepared to submit design documents. And this was created to award to the team that earned the most overall points in the category. And this year's winner of the Best of Show for the Build competition is the Maple School District. Construction for the next.
Thank you very much. On behalf of Excellent Construction World and our long association with this program, we're really proud to present the Open Competition Award. Created in 2016, the Open Competition allows schools to augment the provided materials list. This may include high-performance attic or walls, additional doors or windows, plumbing, or additional electrical. The winner of this year's Best of Show for the Open Competition is Winters High School. I'd like to turn the stage Aaron Schwartz for the competition.
Thank you. Before we award the Best in Show Design competition, I want to take a quick second to highlight an experience I had earlier this week interacting with one of the young men that participated in this program this year. We were interviewing him for a high school internship, and after he started glowing talking about his involvement in the design build program, he started into the lessons they learned about planning and scheduling, the challenges they had. That's the real outcome that we're all here to support today. And I wanted to make sure I shared that with you to reinforce the impact that you all are making by supporting a program like this. So here we go, the oldest of the competitions and celebrating its 35th year, the design competition recognizes the team earning the most overall points in the event. Attention to guidelines from the plan submittal process to the actual construction, safety considerations and teamwork is taken into consideration. The winner of this year's Best of Show for the design competition is Sutter Union High School.
When we started the industry lunch, we always promised that we'd end on time, and if you look at your watch, it's not 1 o'clock yet, so we're doing okay. So we want to thank you for joining us today. For those who are here in person, we encourage you to check out the team banners on this fence, on the back sides of each tent, and down the driveway on your way out. We also encourage you to grab a dessert if you would like. For those both in person and joining us online, we can't wait to see you at the 2022 competitions set to be held in Orange County next April and here in Sacramento next May. Thank you so much for your time and for joining us today, and congratulations to all the winners.